Hey everyone. Now I've done a bit of shopping and one of the things I bought was a new Wi-Fi adapter, a little USB one here so I can do packet captures. Now it claims to be 802.11ax, even though it came up as a 802.11ac in the USB info. But anyway, it's a Volans model VLUX 1800 and here it is here. So it says Wi-Fi 6, so you'd think it's 11ax. They're really going on about that. So anyway, that's it there. So to get that running on Debian here, it didn't come up automatically. It didn't come up as a Wi-Fi interface. It just do IP link and it wasn't there. So I found the thing you have to compile to get it going. So I'll go through that even though I've already done it. I'll just show you what I did to get this running. Okay, so I've just plugged it in and I'll show you the D message that comes up. Now forget this stuff here because that didn't come up before I put the driver in. But initially it just comes up with this sort of stuff here. So it says USB mass storage device apparently in there, but this is the main one here. So you can see, as I said, it says 802.11ac. Another thing I'll just do is LSUSB. All right, so there it is. And one thing, in case you're not familiar, the first half of this is the vendor, so the company that makes it, and the second half is the product. So that 8832 comes into this. So anyway, I found the site that's got this, and it mentions it all here, blah, blah, blah. And it's pretty simple. All you really have to do is this stuff here. The good old download this code here, CD into it, make it, then make install. So I'll just show you how you do that. Okay, so git clone that stuff there. That gets the code. That gets the code and puts it on here. Okay, so CD RTL blah blah blah. You can see what's in there, but just do a make, and it'll compile it. Normally you wouldn't have to do this, but for some reason, this one, you have to compile the kernel stuff here for it. Okay, now that's compiled, so just do the old make install. And that'll slap it where it needs to be. Okay, so what I did is just reboot that, and then it comes up. Of course, I've already done that, so I'll just show you right now that it's there. And what I can do now is stick it into monitor mode. So sudo airmon start, and this interface here. Okay, and to dump it out, just do sudo error dump. It's still called that interface. I'll use channel 11, and you can see it starts putting stuff out. So it's capturing there. What I can do now is go to Wireshark, capture on that device, and see a whole bunch of crap coming through the air. So now I can do wireless captures. One thing I noticed was the computer was crashing after a little while of being in airmon mode, and I figured out it was to do with Network Manager trying to take over it, and it was causing some sort of issue. So I've made it so I don't see the wireless here anymore. And the way I do that was in ETC network interfaces. I've just set that interface to be controlled manually. That means it won't come up here anymore, and this won't try and take over it. And it seems stable now. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so that's the install of that cheap and nasty adapter here. I thought I'd try it out and it worked okay, it seems. We'll see how it goes over the long run. But if you haven't figured out, these videos are just for my reference really, and you can look at them if you want. So I'll put the info about where I got that driver from and leave it there. I plan to do some Wi-Fi videos in the future, which is why I got that, so I can do some captures, so I'm glad it worked. So anyway, that will do for now. Till next time, I think that's all. Just take it easy. See ya.